Myself, Rushi Jagdish Kale from class 10th standard. In our school, RK Public School, the mental ability session has been organized. The session is very wonderful, and it is one of the best experience in my life that I ever had. Because of mental ability, we have conserved a lot of time by solving a lot of examples. We have conserved our time, and it is very beneficial for our future. Thank you.
My name is Mishra Inder Thore and I am from class 10th. My school name is RK Public School. With the cooperation of RK Charak sir and support of all the teachers and all the members of RK family, we have conducted the session of mental ability, and to fourth we have conducted 2 sessions of mental ability, in which the first session was on a pyramid. The 2 lectures was covered in the session of pyramid. In the first lesson we covered the numericals based on the numbers, and second we conducted it in alphabetical order. Second chapter is of mirror images, in which we have studied the reflection with the help of mirror, in which one sided is reflected and other side is coated with silver. Many examples we have solved on the mirror images. After the solving of these examples, we have understood and our neurons has get much power than it was in the first situation. From this mental ability, we have got a power of searching mind, and set a wider mindset. And our school, RK Public School, is the first school in district who is conducting this mental ability session. Thank you.
Myself, Gaurangi Rashmar Mane. I am from class 10 and in RK Public School. Our school has conducted the mental ability classes, and teachers teaches us in a very systematic way. They also provided us a trick to solve the questions, and I get many tricks from that, and so that it is easier to attend each and every question to me, and it is so beneficial for our upcoming competitive exams in our life. So these tricks definitely helps us in our competitive exams to solve the questions.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव कैवल्य कैलास कापसे. मी त्या 10वी वर्गात शिकतो. मी RK पब्लिक स्कूल या शाळेत शिकतो. आज आम्हाला मेंटल ॲबिलिटी नावाचा एक सब्जेक्ट शिकायला भेटतो आहे, जो की आम्हाला पुढच्या आमचं जे भविष्य आहे त्याच्यात खूप कामाला पडणार आहे. त्याच्यात आम्ही पहिले पिरॅमिड आणि त्याच्यात आम्ही न्यूमरिकल आणि अल्फाबेटिकल पिरॅमिड शिकलो, ज्याच्यात आम्ही साधारणतः 1 मिनिटात किंवा त्याच्याहून कमी वेळात आम्ही 10 का 5 एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकतो. मी खरं तर सगळ्यात फर्स्ट थँक म्हणेन चाळक सर, RK पब्लिक स्कूल आणि आमच्या सगळ्या टीचर्सला, ज्यांच्यामुळं हा सब्जेक्ट आम्हाला शिकायला भेटतो. आणि सेकंड थँक्स टू माय पॅरेंट्स.